Barcato, siya po yung sa Joint Manning Group, one of the biggest groups of
It's the
employers.
biggest. It's the biggest.
It's the biggest pala. Yun yung bumubuhay sa ating economy, no? Yung mga seafarers. And si Mr. Jerry Kimilan po, yung tatay niya was the mayor of Santa Maria, Ilocos Sur. And sadly, nakidnap po yung father niya. Up to now, hindi pa rin nakikita po yung remains. So, tsaka, descendant din po siya ni President Quirino, one of the founders of the Liberal Party. President Marcos, as you know, was with the Liberal Party since 1946 up to 1963 or 64. And then lumipat siya sa Nacionalista and became president, vice president na si Lopez. And then ABL, yung isang bagong lipunan ng mga nasyonalista, liberal, so, yan, dito po tayo sa history. Inimbitahan ko rin po si Mr. Ricky Tana, ayan, at saka si Mr. Mark Tuason, mga taga-House of Representatives po. Mahilig din sa history yung mga yan. So, yun po. Noah, I hope you will become great one day and you will not forget your roots na ipaglaban mo ang karapatan ng mga ordinaryong tao, mga manggagawa, no? Lalo na. Kasi sila yung mga nangangailangan ng tulong. Thank you very much.